Hey everybody, it's Sharon here, and I've been so busy doing some home rehab and working full time this last month, and I haven't had a chance to sit down and catch you up. So, this is going to be a rapid fire update on rehab projects going on right now. So, put your seatbelts on because here we go. All right, so starting with colors. Oh, yeah, painting, painting everywhere. The house was white inside, which was a great backdrop for me. Could use any color I wanted. So I just started with the living room. That wall, yeah, that took me 3 different colors before I finally figured out what I really wanted. But I like that color. It's a green, gray, beige type thing. So I used it a lot. All right, let's talk wallpaper. Wallpaper everywhere. Old wallpaper that does not want to come down. Not opposed to wallpaper, but it just needs to come. Floors, yeah, lots of scrubbing and tile and grout, getting that cleaned up. Lots of holes to fill in. Oh, there's divots everywhere. Holes in the walls, holes in the wood, holes in the doors, you name it. Fireplace, want to replace that. I have my log that I brought from Illinois. Gotta get it up. And yeah, I do take a break once in a while, going back and forth to Menards just to stop and say hi to the neighbors. All right, so back to work. Yellow everywhere. Not anymore. I'm trying to get rid of that. So trying to incorporate some of my rustic decorations to give it a little bit more warmth and color. Oh yeah, let's talk switches and outlets. Oh my gosh, there's switches everywhere. This is just the first floor and we're still trying to figure out what goes to where. Someday. Cabinets. All right, that looks bad. I'm just filling in divots. It'll get better, trust me. How about log bed? This I brought from Illinois where I started making it. It's in one of the bedrooms. I just need to get it up now. It's been years since I cooked with gas. Time to learn again. Go outside, grab a few berries, enjoy a little of that. And yes, enjoy the early morning sunrises with some exercise. Then just kind of get back to work. All right, now we're in the basement. Basement is yellow. Walls are yellow. All over is yellow. And there's still boxes down there too, by the way. But now it's got a little bit more color. I used the same color from upstairs. It's kind of that greenish. That'll look really good. Working on kind of a little bar area. Still not haven't figured out what that's all going to look like, but it's going to have some tin and wood on it. Let's go outside quick. That was one of my first projects, was just that back really small deck. Now I got the front, half of the front anyway, got that done. And so it definitely looks a lot open and cleaner than what it did before. Oh, but don't worry, there's more deck to go around. How about this bathroom? This is on the main floor. It needs some help. All right, ceilings. I want to do something with the ceiling. Not sure exactly what, but put some kind of wood up there. Oh, all right. Well, thanks for making it to the end. The projects are going to be ongoing for months, probably years, but each one helps me see the vision of the future. So I'll keep you updated depending on the project. It may have a separate video. Thanks for watching and joining us in this incredible journey.